Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today I will show you how to put video inside a frame using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial. Import an image like this. This type of image you can download from pxels.com or pixabay.com. Add the image to the timeline. Go to the library menu and search for green screen. Add the green screen to the timeline. Disable the uniform scale. Change the height, width, and position of the green screen. Export the still frame. Remove everything from the timeline and add the exported image. Import a video. You can use any video. Add video to the timeline. Go to Cutout. Enable Chroma key. Increase the strength value until the green screen is removed. Change the position of the video accordingly. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.